Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Things are getting worse for uScott Maphuma, babes, our attitude. Ngemva kokuthi perform futhi tolo. Said ukuthi mamuntu aperforma even artist or DJ aperforma normally kuba nebantu lamaqeleni kwakhe yabona who are cheering that person up bamsupporta bajive abanika inhloko yabo nje kube ngilento leyo wabi bafrizile obekungathi njena kunesnow kunesithwathwa akuwe sicotho bathule bathe do bafana bangayingeni they were just like hayi bra again hayi akukhonakala ukuthi wena bowukhuluma kabi now you want our support. They were just so quiet nkosi yamatshe ayiva yedwane babes wema attitude ashake inhloko ngiyakutshela wena. They were just so quiet bafana batfakele tandla emaphakethini but hayi babes hayi again kwakhonakala na hayi awukhonakali so they were just so quiet nje bamnika the moment of silence but ayibekashibirika yena ayi-one nkosi yami aloku nenhloka aloku nemtimba thinking ukuthi bafana badoze baphume ama-ice badoze bamjoyina hayi bafana bangamjoyini but ithulele and people were saying ukuthi kuma-comment section ukuthi hayi mfana is really having a tough time bafana abambambisa nzima. Some people were even saying ukuthi hayi se-proud angale crew yalabafana labangalamva kwakhe ayiqhadi are minding their own business shame bamniketa njena a moment of silence yabona lokho lathi uyaqela ubabes wama attitude uthola kona ngqo like uthola kona and now that uthola kona sikuyaqala kuyamstressa ukuthi hayibo kunjani manje why kanti bantu abangangisupporti why bantu abangabi nenzaba nami why bantu bangasabi happy whenever ngiperforma. People are trying to show you ukuthi umuntu angebantu uyoperformela bani uma bantu bangasakufuni njengoba uthi wena ula ukhona because of yourself and not because of people uthi wena unanzaba nebantu uyoperformela bani crew lefile bantu abatholile labangananzaba nawo bantu batfale tandla tikhwameni abananzaba nawo abanamsebenzi nobantu bafuna ukukhomba ukuthi you are where you are because of them, because of your fans, because of your supporters. Yabona uScott Maphuma need to learn kulamanye ama-artists lathanza ma-fans awo. Actually, they don't even treat them like fans, they treat them like friends. Someone even said ukuthi uScott Maphuma can learn one or two things from uSweet Guluva because uSweet Guluva guys uthatha ma-fans akhe like friends like family ngisho kuthiwa bathi awushayele leya dance yakho uyayishaya ngisho kuthiwa bafuna i-picture like that guy doesn't mind hle hence why people love uSweet Guluva bamthandziswa ukuthi utreat wonke umuntu with respect with kindness akadiboni as that hero lo wawina i-Big Brother uyati ukuthi ula khona wawina because of other people. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.